So now we understand why CLA can be a true key to better weight management and to end yo-yo dieting. But one of the bigger issues is, how do we take the right amount of CLA to produce those results? Remember again, efficacy, synergy, bioavailability. One of the biggest issues with CLA is that most of the time you see it in gel cap form. The gel caps for CLA are usually 1,000 milligram capsules that yield somewhere between 70 and 84% CLA. What does this mean? Well, to get the efficacious dose, the amount that's been clinically shown to provide not only weight management benefits, but all those other broad-ranging health benefits, the anti-carcinogenic blood sugar stabilization effects, the cholesterol management, the anti-inflammatory, the immune improving effects. All of those benefits take place somewhere in the range of 3.5 to 6 grams of CLA. Most of the studies were done with approximately 4.5 grams of CLA. In fact, most of the broad-ranging benefits come with that dose. When you try to take 4.5 grams of CLA in capsule form, it requires you to take somewhere between 8 and 10 capsules. So what's the problem with this? Well, the first problem is compliance. Most people aren't going to take that many capsules. Even when you have the best intentions, say three times a day, most people don't do that every day. And if you can't take the right amount, you don't get the results. The bigger issue comes in what we call bioavailability. If you were to try to take 8 to 10 CLA capsules at one time, they would be very hard for you to digest. Even taking 3 at one time would be very difficult for most people to digest. The capsule form of CLA is the free fatty acid form of CLA. This is not how fat occurs naturally in food. So, how do we overcome this? How do we get all of the benefits of CLA, but actually get it in a form that our bodies can utilize? OptiCLA overcomes those issues of CLA. First and foremost, it makes it very easy to be compliant. Just 1 scoop once a day provides the full 4.6 grams of CLA that's been clinically shown to provide all those health benefits. But not only do you get that in 1 scoop once a day, which makes it easy, it's very easy to be compliant. All you have to do is add it to your morning protein shake, which we know is the best way to jumpstart our metabolism, stabilize our blood sugar, and get those cravings and that energy level problem under control. But when we add CLA to that, now through a totally different mechanism, we're adding to those same benefits. We're adding to those same blood sugar stabilization, weight management benefits. So now you have synergy on top of synergy. If you're looking for the simplest, easiest way to make the smallest change that will have the most broad-ranging effect on weight management, energy, stress, sleep, at one shake in the morning, starting your day with the OptiPro with the CLA added, you can achieve the most broad-ranging health benefits in one simple 15-second meal.